stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious.
I got a 9 in history, a 6 in maths, a 6 in English language, a 7 in English literature, a 9 in photography, an 8 in geography, 2 6s in science, and a B in media studies.
This is me, look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
9 in history, 8 in maths, 7 in French, 9 in RE, 8 in English language and literature, 9 in geography and a 9 in science.
Right, so I got a 7 in history, a 7 in maths, a 6 in French, an 8 in English language, a 9 in English lit, 7 in geography, and a 7 and a 6 in science. I got a 9 in history, 8 in maths, 9 in English language, 9 in English literature, 9 in geography, and a 9 8 in science.
I got a distinction star, I got an 8 in history, a 5 in maths, I got a 6 in French, I got an 8 in English language, and I got a 9 in English literature, 2 6s in science, and I got an A in media studies.
A 5 in maths, a 6 in English language, a 7 in English literature, a 6 in history, and a 6 in science.